Hi everybody, let's talk about Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which is HTTP, right? So if I just break it down, I just said it. So it's Hypertext Transfer Protocol, right? Yeah, if you think I'm writing too slow, you can just watch the video at 1.5x. It will be beneficial for you. Okay, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So what is that? Why is it a hypertext, not a normal text? Why is it a hyper? Because it wants to go somewhere else. This hypertext is going somewhere else. That's why it's named as hyper. It's just like that person who is so angry and now he is going somewhere else to shout on other person who did something wrong. So basically, it's so hyper like that person. So it's going somewhere else. Who is sending this hypertext somewhere else? The transfer protocol is sending the hypertext to somewhere else. Okay, so you know about transfer protocol. It is sending the text, and hypertext is named as hypertext because it is going somewhere else. Now, understand with an example. If I just write http google.com and then searching for something and the query is CSS. Okay, we have this URL. So what is this HTTP doing here? HTTP is sending your request. What is your request? What is your query? It's search for the CSS. You're searching for the CSS. You will get some pages about CSS. So HTTP is sending your request. There could be any text in your request too, and you could be asking some text, something from somewhere as a query. You could be asking, right? Or you could send something. There could be the things both ways. Okay, so this hypertext transfer protocol is sending your request to the Google computer. I told you this is a Google computer, nothing else. It is sending your request to Google computer and inside that search folder, right? To fulfill your request of CSS. And if it sends some data back, then HTTP will take the response data back to you because the transfer protocol is the one who is sending and taking the response back. That's why it is hypertext because it is going somewhere and it is coming back from somewhere. That's why it is hyper, right? And that's why transfer protocol is the one who is sending it, right? And where is it sending? To the Google computer in this case, wherever you are doing the request, it's sending it there. So in this case, we are talking about Google computer and in the search folder. Okay, I think now you know about HTTP. It's basically when you're working with web services. You know what is web service? Web service is that API which is using internet. So basically, we are searching these things on internet only, not anything else, on anywhere else. We are not going to the Google headquarter and looking for that computer which is having that search folder inside it and which is having a CSS file or blog inside it. No, we are not going there. We are working using the API which is on the internet, using the internet. So we are talking about web services here. So whenever we are talking about web service, HTTP will be there in the case of request and response, both sides. It will be there. It cannot happen without HTTP because the data will not go anywhere without HTTP. Okay? Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.